So just about a month back, I talked about this counter called AEM, right? One of my favorite Singapore technology counters, which I shared a video on Facebook, on 23rd of July, right over here. So I mentioned that, there could potentially be more strength, right, or more upside for this counter, right? That was about a month back, and in fact, over the past few weeks, you started to see a bit of bullish actions, but what happens was that was where some profit taking came back again. Hey guys, Joey here, top tier advisor in Philip Securities and chief trainer at Trading Impossible, right? So over the past few weeks, we started to see a bit of strength and sellers started to come back and push it back down. But what happens was, just in the beginning of August, right over here, we actually had some targets that were drawn right around here, alright? It was then trading at about 360. When the video was published, it came down slightly and found a bit of support right over here, about 340, alright? So some upside targets were drawn right around here, another upside about 15% upside to about $4, right? So that was about early of August, and targets was reiterated again, alright, towards that $5 level, alright, when we started to kind of attempt that move, alright, above that $4 level. Okay, so this is AEM just at the beginning of the month when some targets were reiterated again, right? So a month has passed, right, since the last video that I've shared on 23rd of July. So today is the 26th of August 2020. So a lot of people have asked me, Joey, is AEM still in an uptrend? Can we still see more upside, or can the uptrend continue even further now that we are seeing a bit of selling coming back? So this is what will be covered in today's video right now. So if you like more videos like this, alright, be sure to give me a thumbs, right? Hit the like, alright, so that you will help out this channel as well. We can reach out to more people, and thank you so much for doing this, right? So this is AEM right over here as of the 26th of August, alright, 2020, right over here, 26th of August. The time now is 2:45 p.m. and the market is open live, right, on the 26th of August, Wednesday. Okay, so this is AEM currently trading at about $4.03 right over here. So I mentioned that a month back on 23rd of July, right over here, we're then trading at about $3.60, $3.50, right? And there were some upside targets that were drawn to about $4, and we reiterated our targets further. Okay, so what happens was it started to push up, alright, and right now we are seeing a bit of support coming back at about $4. So for AEM, you can see that the range has always been about 40 cents. Let me just show you what I mean, right? So look at this right over here. So it was then trading from like April to about July in this range, about $3 to $3.40 right over here. So it's about 40 cents range, $3 to $3.40. It broke up above the $3.40, and then we were consolidating for about 2 weeks from like $3.40 to $3.80, all right, and then it broke up again, and now we are pretty much back to that $4, right? $4 would be a good psychological level. So let me just remove these lines to keep it a bit simple, right? So right now I would say that the range, right, for AEM, same thing, somehow it seems like it's like consolidating, at this 40 cents range again, from like $4 to about $4.50. Let me just go to draw a line right over here. So these are some upside targets. So it's about $4 to $4.40 over the past 2 weeks. We've seen a bit of consolidation, right? Each time it comes down to $4, buyers comes back in and rebounds back up to about $4.40, and this is where some profit taking came back again. Alright, you can see that this 20-day moving average, this green line right over here, it also coincides with this $4. So I would say that this $4 psychological level is quite important, right? As long as we stay above this $4 level, I would say the uptrend in the short term still looks quite okay. Okay, but in terms of the mid to long term trend, I talked about it in the previous video as well. In terms of the trend in the long term, you can see that these moving averages, the red line is the 100 days moving average, and the blue line is the 200 days moving average. So you can see that both of them are still pretty much pointing upward gently, and this red line is still above the blue line. So obviously in terms of the mid to long term, it still looks quite okay. I mean, the uptrend still looks quite intact, but of course in the short term it can go up and down. Each time it pushes up to a level, people might want to take some profit as well. Okay, so right now a heavy resistance right around that 440. I would say 440 to 450. We might start to see a bit of selling coming back, but I would say we might consolidate from like $4 to 440, and eventually, of course, if we do see a bit more bullish actions coming back just above 440 to 450, that's where our targets can be revised higher to about $5. So this would be AEM right over here as of the 26th of August 2020. So if you like this video, be sure to smash the subscribe button, right? Hit the notification, the bell notification, so that you will be alerted when any new videos like this come out on some of the Singapore stocks that I cover, and you can also act on stocks like this. Alright, so I hope that you like this video. Joey here, thank you so much for watching.